Hello everyone, my name is Sandy Mwaka. A very good welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to show you how we can work with folders. So first of all, how can we define folder? A folder is a storage location for related files. Files that are related, you can organize them, gather them, confine them in a place where they can be easily found, in a place where they are organizedly found. So it's called a folder. So let's begin it right away. So on your empty space, on an empty space on your desktop, you just come and right click and point onto new. It will bring you very many options, and the first option is folder. So just click on folder. So it will bring you folder, but without name. It's written new folder. So it's upon you to rename your folder. Like for instance, if you wanna create folder for movies. So movies are related files. There are very many on your desktop. There are very many occupying your desktop, but they are related. So there is a folder is the best way you can confine them. You can bring them to make them look nice. So this one, if you are creating like folder for movies, you can just rename this folder like movies. Like you can also make your folder, like for instance, if there are very many people that have maybe created very many folders there, if there are if more than one more than two people are using the same PC, it's necessary that you create a folder. If even if they are containing movies, like you can just it's advisable that you rename your folder with your name. Yeah, because very many people are coming to use that PC, use that computer, but to specify, just to identify each other's folder, you are going to use names. So this in this case, let's begin. Let's we can rename this one by let's rename it MK. So this is our folder. So we are done with the creating. After renaming, just click on it. Just click on an empty area. It will just be created immediately, and with your name. Yeah, with the name you've put upon it. So this one, if you wanna now put files onto it, so you just come out and double click on the folder. It will open straight away. So this folder is still empty. So let me take you through a procedure where you can put files into the folder. As I told you earlier on, folder is a storage location for files that are related. So we have two procedures, two ways you can put files into a folder. So the first way, you can come and okay, now how to select a folder, I mean a file. So you just come and point onto the file, it will be activated. So this activated file, you can just right click and then you look for an option, copy. Then you go into your folder, then you go again and right click, and then you click on paste. So it's here now, it's in your folder. So you copied it and you pasted it in your folder. So that's the first way. So the original file is here, this one is it's copy. So that's the first way. The second way is by moving it, by dragging it. You can drag the file straight away into your folder. So you just come onto it, you make it, you activate it, then you with your left hand finger, you can long press on the left one. You left click, but you long press it. Yeah, and then you use your right hand finger to drag it towards your folder, just this way. So after reaching here, you just release it. You leave you release both your fingers, so it will be moved into your folder. So I have now so far two files into my folder. Now in that same way, in that similar two ways, you can just carry all these files. And you can also create a folder within a folder. Interesting, right? You can create a folder within a folder. Like if maybe you've brought related files, but some files are more related than others, or others are just in a certain way different from the others, you can also create another folder inside. Like you can create a big folder, then you can have similar smaller folders inside it. So you can create a folder for both movies and music. So after creating a folder, you can create another folder inside like this. If you're inside here, you can right click again, or you can point onto the option what new. It will bring you still the same thing you used to create the first folder. So you can create another folder here, just inside the first folder you created. Yeah, we can name this one is with music. So this is another folder inside a folder. So we can also make another folder again. We can make it very many. We can make very many of them. So you can also create another one also. Yeah, you can make this one movie. Yeah, so this is simply how we can do it. So even within the folders, you can create your own. You can open programs like Microsoft Word. You can just right click, then you point on new. Yeah, then you select these words. These applications. You can use Microsoft Document. You can use PowerPoint presentation. You just click on it. It will be just inserted here. So you can do very many things onto your folder. Yeah. So that's simply how we can do it. Thanks for watching. Endeavor to subscribe, like the videos, and share it with your friends. You can also add some comments in the comment section. So thanks.